I get emails every single day with people saying they get banned from Clickbank. They can't sign up. It doesn't work for them. I'm not sure why, because it works for me. I think it's something to do with countries. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you 7 other ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing without using Clickbank. So some Clickbank alternatives. Don't worry, just because you can't use Clickbank, it doesn't mean you're blocked from trying to make money online. There's a lot of other alternatives that you can go to. If you don't know what Clickbank is, it's just kind of like, think about it as a checkout platform. People use it to sell products so they can make money. It's like a checkout platform. However, you can go and find these products and you can promote them for a commission. So we're going to get straight into this one, guys, and I'm going to go through I got this big list here, top 7 Clickbank alternatives that I've personally used myself to make money online. So number 1 is probably, it's kind of one of my favorites here, and that is called Jvzoo.com. Now, Jvzoo is a platform very similar to Clickfunnels. What they do is people upload their products and to sell them, and you can go and sign up as an affiliate to these particular products. Now, the only thing about Jvzoo is it's more about kind of like software and stuff like that, but people do put up courses as well from time to time. So what you want to do is you want to go to, I think it's called the trending tab or the most popular tab, and you can find products that have made the most money in the last 30 days, 7 days, in the last 24 hours. This is a very good platform to go and find products to promote if you want to get into affiliate marketing. So that is jvzoo.com. And I'll leave a link below, guys, to all of these websites if you want to check them out. The next one is Clickfunnels. Now, don't get confused with Clickfunnels and Clickbank. It's just a very good play on words. They're completely separate platforms. Now, Clickfunnels is actually a software. It's not specifically an affiliate marketing platform. However, you can sign up as an affiliate. Now, Clickfunnels has lots of good programs that you can promote. First of all, you can promote their actual program, clickfunnels.com. It's a funnel creating, so you can create funnels, landing pages, opt-in forms and stuff like that. You get up to a 40% commission, all right? Or you can actually promote some of their other products. I can't remember the names off the top of my head, but they have books that you can promote. They have something called the One Funnel Away Challenge. We can get $100 every time someone signs up under you. So that's clickfunnels.com. They do have a very good affiliate marketing program, but it's only specific to their products, okay? You're only going to be promoting their products. Now, number 3 is really good as well. However, it's more specific to health products. So Clickbank has a category for health products, but obviously if you can't sign up to Clickbank, you can use a website called markethealth.com. On markethealth.com, they have a lot of products based on health. Now, I've promoted a few things from this website, but I haven't really promoted much lately, so I'm not sure if it's changed or not, or how it is nowadays. But this is a great place to go and find products based in the health niche. I don't really need to cover any more of that. It's a very simple site to use. You sign up as an affiliate and you start promoting products. Number 4, I used to use this quite a lot back in the day. I don't much anymore. Warrior Plus. So Warrior Plus is a website like Jvzoo and Clickbank. You sign up as, people upload their products and sell them. They use it as a checkout platform, but you can also go and sign up as an affiliate and you can promote these particular products on your YouTube channel, on your blog, on your email list, wherever you want to promote these products. Now, the good thing about Warrior Plus is a lot of the products are quite low ticket and they have upsells. So it's like low barrier to entry for some of these products, and you can make good commissions when people do launches with the products. So sign up to Warrior Plus, have a look around. There's like once again, bestsellers board that you can check out, and you can find products that you want to promote. Now, another one, guys, is number 5 is shareasale.com, I think it is. Now, the problem with ShareASale is it's really low commissions, but it has an enormous amount of products that you can promote in every single possible niche you could think of. Sports, clothing, anything you could think of. So go and sign up to shareasale.com. Now, this is more really good for like blogs, things like that. Not really email marketing and things, but shareasale.com is a very good website with a very wide variety of products that you can promote. I don't need to really touch base on that much because it's pretty straightforward. Number 6 is OfferVault. Now, OfferVault is really good as well, but it's more for CPA products. What that means is cost per acquisition, cost per click, all sorts of things. That what they do is basically there's an offer and you can send traffic and you get paid per clicks, per how many leads sign up, and all sorts of things like that. So I would recommend going to OfferVault. checking it out. They have lots of products that you can promote. However, it's a lot different to Clickbank, okay? So it's really a completely different scenario. So I would recommend actually researching how to promote CPA offers, because it's completely different to Clickbank. But OfferVault is a very good place to find offers to promote. And sometimes people upload courses. You've really just got to be on these websites, guys, looking all the time consistently for products that you can promote. But OfferVault is a very good website that you can go and find products to promote if you can't sign up to Clickbank. Now, one of my favorites, and it has a lot of versatility, and this is really probably this is the top affiliate marketing program on the planet, that is Amazon Associates. Now, people get discouraged from Amazon. Let's get rid of this real quick. We don't need this now. People get discouraged from Amazon Associates because it has low commissions. But you need to understand that with Amazon, although they have low commissions, they're very good at upselling people and recommending more products to people. So the cart value usually goes up quite quickly when people go to Amazon to purchase products. Now, becoming an Amazon Associate is very easy, and the best way to make money with Amazon Associates is to go and create what we call Amazon affiliate blogs. Okay, you basically review products on these blogs and you get paid a commission. Now, some of these blogs sell for very good money. They are worth a lot of money once you set them up and they start making money. A friend of mine makes over $10,000 per month with Amazon Associate websites. So there you go, guys. That's 7 Clickbank alternatives that you can sign up to if you have problems using Clickbank. If you want some more training, I'll leave some videos up on the screen, completely free, takes you through step by step how to start your own affiliate marketing business. Very simple to do and easy to understand. Click that video right now to find out exactly how you can do it. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you on the video.